As you can see, the church, the biggest church in this town, is just close by the palace.
Okay, this is the biggest church in this town.
Yes. Is the
Close by the palace.
Yes, the reason why the church is close by the palace is for the prince and the princess of the palace. If you wish to go to the church, you can go there. It's not far from your house. And for the king cannot go and worship in the church. He has church in his palace, where if he can go to church, he can worship there. He don't have to go to the church except for Thanksgiving or something. But talking about worship, no, he cannot go to the church because he cannot take off his cap. So that is the reason.
Because he cannot take off his cap, that is why he cannot go to
The
church.
king cannot take off his cap, no matter how the condition may be.
So even if president is here and the king cannot take off the cap to
The
greet him.
only person that is above our king is only God. Yes.
More tradition. It's
Our
only
king-
God.
Our king cannot shake any ordinary human being. Yes. For my king, for our Jukun King to shake someone, it means something. Because he cannot just wake up and shake you or collect something directly from you. No, he don't do that.
So what if he's sitting and somebody brought hand to shake him?
No, that one is his own decision to accept the shaking or not. Yes, but as a human being, you don't have the right to bring
Go
to
straight to
stay.
shake him.
He will be the one to shake you first. But you cannot shake him. He will be the one to bring his hand first before you shake him back. Yeah.